So hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Elsie and you're watching Elsie tutorial. And yeah, for today's video, Pixys OS is successfully booted here on my Samsung Galaxy G7 Prime, and this ROM guys is Android 11 with ARM64AB build on this ROM, and this ROM guys is based on AOSP build, and I am using here the Create Vendor version 1 and also the Treblo so that the ROM will boot, because I tried the Edge ROM version 1 and it doesn't work at all. So I tried the Treblo and the ROM is working. So anyways, we're gonna head into the settings of this ROM. But before we're gonna do that, please make sure to like this video, share, comment, and also subscribe into my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell as well. So as you can see here, we have a few bloatwares because the room doesn't have a Google application. We need the G apps. We need to manually flash the Google application in this room, because this is a light. I think the light room I flash. So we have here the calendar, the clock, the contacts, the files, the gallery, messaging, phone, and settings. Quite few, but I think it is working. These are all application in here are working. So let's gonna um head into the settings right now. So actually this is the settings. This is the same on the other GSI room, and yeah, as you can see here, this is Android 11, and yeah, this is Pixys OS. The version of this room guys is version 4.0.6, and this is unofficial build. What the fuck's happening here? So as you can see, this is Android 11, and the Android security of this room is quite latest. We have here April 5, 2021, and as you can see, the kernel version, as I said earlier, I am using the Treblo with the HROM kernel version 1, and yeah, that's all. And let's gonna check here the battery. We have here 45% of battery, and it should last until 7:15 p.m. So the battery backup of this room is quite good. And guys, let's go now what would be the bugs and features of this room. So let's go for first the features of this room, or the working features of this room. So first, all of this bloatware here are all working, and second, the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, and the night light, location, dark themes, screen record, ambient display are all working. And yeah, that's all the features that is working in this room. And now let's gonna head into the bugs of this room. So the first bug in this room guys is the camera. This room doesn't have any camera installed. That is a bug, but we have the camera up here. Wait, so as you can see, we have a camera up here, but it doesn't appear in the home screen. So that is a bug guys, that is a bug. And then the second bug of this room is the brightness slider. I always say this whenever I use the Treblo version 2, the brightness slider is always a bug, unlike the Edge room or other. Yeah. So the third bug of this room guys is the flashlight. Since the camera is bug, then the flashlight is also bug. Here we have here the message camera in use, so we can't use the flashlight here. And also the fourth bug in this room guys is the Wi-Fi hotspot. Wi-Fi hotspot in this room is absolutely broken. We have here, we're gonna try here. Yeah, Wi-Fi hotspot is not working. And then the final bug of this room, guys, is the offline charging. I tried this room charging while it's off, but it doesn't charge at all. So offline charging is in this room is broken. So that's all the features and bug of this room, guys, but I not really recommended this room to use as daily usage. But anyway, I love this room, guys, because it is really fast, smooth, and I will show you guys the refresh rate of this room through the developer options we have here. I will enable first. So yeah, this is default refresh rate of this room. We have here a 60 fps, as you can see here. That is a 60. We're gonna, yeah, 60 default 60 fps of this room. So that is quite good of this room, guys. And also the battery backup of this room is quite good. So I maybe scale this at 80% good room, I think. But still, I don't want this to I really want I don't really want this to use as daily driver, because there is no camera and there is no Google application, and we all know that Android 11 Google application is not stable. So I recommended this, guys, not use as daily usage. So that's all for today's video, I think. So maybe I gonna see you next video, guys. So make sure you like this video and comment, share, and also subscribe into my YouTube channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. See you next video, guys. Have a good day. Bye.